Last one.
Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, west central Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Castville, or near Star City, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Westover, Star City, Granville, Castville, Brookhaven, Ryevesville, Massentown, Blacksville, Mount Morris, Booth, Everettsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 140 and 160. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.